Are you tired of living under the burden of debt? It's time to embark on a life-changing debt-free journey. In this empowering video, we present you with 7 proven steps that will pave your way to financial freedom. Join us as we break down each step in detail, providing you with practical strategies and actionable advice to tackle your debt head-on. From creating a budget that works for you to implementing effective debt repayment strategies, we leave no stone unturned. Discover the secrets to managing your finances, building a solid emergency fund, and ultimately achieving the freedom to live life on your own terms. Get ready to take control of your financial future and transform your life with these 7 essential steps. It's time to say goodbye to debt and hello to a brighter, debt-free future. Don't miss out on this empowering journey towards financial freedom. Step 1. Assess your debt. Begin by evaluating your total debt amount, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Create a detailed debt inventory that includes all your debts, such as credit cards, loans, student loans, and outstanding balances. By understanding the full extent of your debt, you'll gain clarity on the starting point of your journey. We'll also guide you in obtaining your credit report and checking for any discrepancies. Step 2. Create a budget. Discover the art of budgeting and how it can become your most powerful tool for regaining control over your finances. We'll walk you through the process of creating a realistic budget that aligns with your income and financial goals. Learn how to allocate funds strategically to cover essential expenses, debt repayments, and savings. We'll provide tips on budgeting apps and techniques to track your spending effectively. Step 3. Minimize expenses. Explore effective strategies to cut back on unnecessary expenses without sacrificing your quality of life. We'll provide practical tips on reducing discretionary spending, such as dining out less, finding more affordable alternatives for entertainment, and implementing energy-saving measures at home. Discover how these small changes can add up to significant savings over time. We'll also discuss ways to negotiate lower interest rates on your loans and credit cards. Step 4. Increase income. Unlock the potential to accelerate your debt payoff journey by increasing your income. We'll explore various methods to boost your earning potential, such as taking on a part-time job, freelancing, starting a small business, or monetizing your hobbies and skills. Learn how to identify opportunities to generate additional income streams and allocate those funds towards debt repayment. We'll provide tips on building a personal brand and leveraging online platforms. Step 5. Develop a debt repayment strategy. Dive into various debt repayment methods such as the snowball or avalanche method. We'll explain the pros and cons of each approach and help you identify which one aligns best with your financial goals and preferences. Learn how to prioritize your debts, make extra payments, negotiate interest rates, and leverage balance transfer options. We'll provide real-life examples and calculators to help you visualize your progress. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. Understand the importance of having a safety net and learn how to create an emergency fund that will protect you from future financial setbacks. We'll guide you through setting savings goals, determining the ideal fund size, typically 3 to 6 months of living expenses, and exploring options for optimizing your emergency fund, such as high-yield savings accounts or money market funds. We'll emphasize the importance of automating savings and making it a priority. Step 7. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. We share invaluable tips to stay motivated throughout your debt-free journey. From tracking your progress visually using debt payoff charts or spreadsheets to celebrating milestones along the way, we'll help you maintain focus and momentum. Discover effective strategies to overcome setbacks, stay committed to your financial goals, and celebrate your achievements. We'll also discuss the importance of self-care and maintaining a positive mindset. Join us on this transformative quest towards financial freedom as we provide you with practical insights, real-life examples, and expert advice. Say goodbye to debt-induced stress and hello to a life of financial abundance. It's time to take control of your finances and unlock the doors to a brighter future. Watch this video now and begin your debt-free journey today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and comment for more great content.